Today, I'm going to walk you through the top cataract surgery regrets I hear every single week so you don't make the same mistakes. I'm a board certified ophthalmologist and cataract surgeon. I've been doing premium cataract surgery for over 20 years, and I also teach cataract surgery at the Doheny Eye Institute at USC. Regret number one. I wished I fixed my astigmatism during surgery. Patients don't realize that standard cataract surgery with insurance does not cover cataract surgery astigmatism correction. Now, here's the part that's not well known. Glasses only correct astigmatism in the center of the glasses. So when you look up, down, left, and right, you're not looking through the center of the glasses, and the astigmatism is not fully being corrected. Cataract surgery is different. When we correct astigmatism inside the eye, wherever you look, there's clear vision. Regret number two. I still need reading glasses all the time. This is probably the second most common regret. Here's the key idea you need to understand. Cataract surgery is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to optimize your vision. Lens implant we put in your eye lasts for your lifetime. Today, there are advanced lens technology that don't just help you see far away, but also allow you to see the computer, use your phone, read a book naturally with functional vision at multiple distances without constantly hunting for the right pair of glasses. Over a lifetime, that can mean a huge cost savings and far more visual freedom. Yes, your prescription can shift slightly over time, but in most cases, your ophthalmologist can manage these conditions. Regret number three. I paid way too much money for my lens implant. This one catches a lot of people off guard. Some cataract surgeons work within large corporate structure. Their fees are often higher to cover pre-op, post-op visits with a different eye doctor. Surgical coordinators, administrative staff, corporate ownership, and overhead, all that gets built into the price. But here's what many patients don't realize. A highly experienced private practice surgeon may charge significantly less for this exact same surgery and lens implant. For transparency, I've been performing premium cataract surgery for over 20 years and teach cataract surgery at the Doheny Eye Institute for nearly 2 decades. My surgical fee for premium lens implants is typically around $2,700. Having a fantastic cataract surgery experience with a seasoned cataract surgeon does not always mean that you need to pay through the roof prices. Ask questions, compare options, and be informed. Regret number four. Why did I wait so long? This one actually makes me smile because it's so common. After surgery, patients say, "That was painless. I could see better the next day. Why did I wait so long?" When night vision becomes difficulty, glare make you want to avoid it, and new glasses just don't help anymore, that's usually a cue to have at least a conversation with your ophthalmologist. Most patients who've had cataract surgery will tell you it was one of the best decisions they've ever made. Another complaint I've heard from my patients is that they were upset when they got home after surgery and they saw all this dust on the floor. Oh my goodness. They never noticed that the paint on the wall had faded. Regret number five. No one warned me about dry eye after cataract surgery. This one surprises a lot of patients. About 1/3 of people experience significant dry eye symptoms after cataract surgery. Symptoms like burning, grittiness, irritation, foreign body sensation. These usually start 1 to 2 weeks after surgery. Here's why this happens. The eye has to be extremely sterile during the surgery, and some of the drops we use to sterilize the eye and the post-operative drops can worsen dryness. Here's the good news. This is fixable. This is usually temporary, very treatable. Treatment options include preservative-free artificial tears around 4 to 8 times a day. Also, a gel implant or a canalicular plug can be placed to retain your natural tears. With proper management, these symptoms usually improve dramatically. The key takeaway is simple. Every one of these regrets is usually preventable with counseling, education. Cataract surgery should never feel rushed. You should never feel pressured. You should always understand your options before surgery. The right conversation with your ophthalmologist can make all the difference. If you've ever had cataract surgery, whether you loved it or regretted it, drop a comment below and share your experiences that may help someone else make a better decision for their own eyes. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.